Hello, today we'll be comparing Mr.Coffee Perfect Brew Intelligent Coffee Maker versus semi-automatic espresso machine. Be sure to watch the intent, I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing method semi is better. Brewing capacity Mr.Coffee is better. Pressure semi is better. Brew strength control style. Programmable features Mr.Coffee is better. Temperature control semi is better. Single serve function semi is better. Water reservoir style. Ease of cleaning Mr.Coffee is better. Brew speed semi is better. Auto shut off is high. Noise level Mr.Coffee is better. Price Mr.Coffee is better. Special features semi is better. Dimensions Mr.Coffee is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the semi-automatic espresso machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.